ahead and clipped my hair back so it'll be out of the way. I'm starting off with the NYX Professional Makeup Pore Filler as my primer. So just gonna put a little bit on my cheeks, my forehead, get a little more on my forehead. Oh, this is so weird. It's, ooh. I don't know, this primer just feels weird, but I'm just gonna rub it in. So I got my eyebrows done a couple of days ago. So it's still looking pretty good. So I don't feel like I need to do too much with it. So I'm using a couple of things for my eyebrow. First, I'm using this e.l.f. pomade, and it's in the shade Espresso. Then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. Let's see if you can see that. I'm using my e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo, so I'm just gonna brush it up lightly, not too much, because there's really not much that I need to do with it. So I'm actually gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Wiz pencil to kind of like line my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna use the pomade to kind of fill it in. Sometimes end up looking like sisters and not twins, but as long as they look close, that's all that matters. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my pomade and I'm just gonna fill in my brows. So as you can see, it's looking a little bit like sisters, but we gonna make it work. Okay, I think we did a little something with that. So now I'm using the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum, and this is in the color 16. And I'm just gonna use my little concealer brush right here, just to kind of like line it and clean up the ends. When I'm doing my eyeliner, I usually start under the eye, and like I start from the edge of my eyebrow and work my way over. But on the top, I kind of start a little bit beyond the edge, behind the edge, I guess, of my eyebrow. This is a trick that someone showed me when I went to get my makeup done a long time ago at Sephora. And I've been doing it ever since. So we just gonna, you know, play around with it. Now I'm going to use my little sponge and kind of just blend it in. I normally don't use the sponge, but I can't find my concealer brush that I usually use. So we are stuck doing this one. Okay. So, all right, left eye looking a little good. Now we're gonna work on the right eye. So, you know, eyebrows looking better now. I swear, I feel like they look fine, but if I keep playing with it, I'm gonna mess it up, so I'm gonna leave it alone. But okay, eyebrows are done. Yay! Also, I'm gonna link everything that I'm using down below. I don't know, actually, yes, I do know where I got my brushes from. So next, I'm using the Sephora Best Skin Ever Long Wear Foundation, and this is in the color 57Y, if you can see that. So I normally do my foundation with like a sponge, but I'm gonna try and do it with a brush because I realized with sponge, like, I feel like it'd be soaking up so much of the foundation that not a lot of it gets on my face. I'm gonna try with the brush and see how that works. So now I'm gonna take this like flat brush and basically just rub the foundation in. So with using the brush, like the foundation seems a lot lighter than when I use the sponge, but I'm gonna make it work because I can't be out here looking a whole fool. Definitely want to make sure to blend it out into your neck. This is a workout. Like, this really is a workout. I may have put too much foundation on my face. Like, my face looks really orange right now. I don't like it. It could also be the lighting too, because I feel like this ring light is very like sharp. So my next step is using the concealer. I'm still using the Sephora concealer, and I'm just putting a little bit under my eye. I don't even know if this is the right way, but I saw somebody do it on like TikTok or whatever, and I'll be honest, I don't remember what it looked like. And then I usually do just a little bit up here, a little bit on my nose, and then a little bit on my chin. And then I use my same sponge just to blend it in. The third or fourth time I've done this like type of look, but my first time doing it on camera, so you know, a little nervous, but making it work. Next, I'm going in with my Sephora bronze, and it's the matte bronzer, and it's in the color 6 Ibiza. So my face gets like really oily, so that's why I prefer like more of a matte finish, because if I don't do a matte finish, I'm gonna look like a grease ball. So I'm gonna get my little angled brush. It's like, yeah, my angled brush. I just kind of like start with the forehead and work my way down. Also, I'm not like an expert, so please, like, if you have tips or like better ways to apply bronzer or any of the products that I've like put on, please drop them in the comments below. The only way I'm gonna learn is if I practice. So now me realizing this is a whole compact mirror right here, I'm tripping. So I'm still learning how to do eyeshadow. So usually what I do is I take this little like brush, what is it, like a round brush, and I'll just kind of add some bronzer to my eyelids just to kind of give it some color. So I added some blush and I didn't realize that I was not filming. So I used the e.l.f. Always Breezy Primer Infused Shimmer Blush. And I just used like a, you know, blush brush and added that. So there's that. So I'm not 100% like comfortable using setting powders. So I'm going to use this Eyes Lip face makeup mist and set just to kind of spray it on my face and give it a little bit of a shimmer shine. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara. I use the Morphe mascara and it is in the color Bold Black. I use mascara because I haven't mastered the art of putting on false eyelashes, so your girl gonna stick to these mascaras. So I put on about like 2 coats of mascara. That usually does it well. Y'all, my allergies are kicking my butt right now. Okay, so mascara on. Now the last thing that I'm going to add is this NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. And it's in the shade Praline. I think I got this one at the beauty supply store, but they have them everywhere. Target, Walmart, wherever NYX is sold. And now we have the finished look. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm like so happy. This turned out really well. A pat on the back to me for doing my first makeup video with y'all. It's gonna be a year and a few weeks when I first started my YouTube channel, and I would have never thought I would have gotten this comfortable to be able to do makeup. Like, it's really simple, a very simple look, nothing extravagant about it, but the fact that I did it, y'all, use this as an opportunity to like do something that is like scaring you, that you've never done before, because the feeling you get when you do it, and even if it doesn't come out right, because I'm pretty sure there's things that I could have done better with this makeup look, but the fact that I did it and I had fun with it and like I was able to show you all how to do this, it's a great feeling. I'm gonna tell you that, it's a great feeling. So thank you all for watching my first makeup video. I am going to link everything that I used in today's look down below. If you all have any suggestions on things that I could do better or things that might make it easier for me to do any part of this makeup look, drop it in the comments down below. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.